to hear. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Another trading day. Welcome. If you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Come on in, join us Monday through Friday in the Zen Zone. Come on in as we search for momentum penny movers and try to capitalize on them. That's what we do here. As simple as that. We don't get creative. We don't get crazy. We'll let the market dictate if we're going to take it or not. The stock move in the way we need to, we capitalize on it. It's just plain and simple. I'm your host, the Zen Trader. Welcome to the Zen Zone. Good morning. What we got here? SLE. Wow. Mm-hmm. Need some volume. It's up 181%, up almost $6 on this one right here. Let me keep it in the watching video off the bottom there too. Ja, yeah, you know how it is. Spider, Spidey. Another one we're gonna look at is we need this one to crank up, get back to where it need to do, Spidey. That CJET. Let me put that in here. We've been watching this one quite some time. We'll capitalize on it. Put that SLE on your list here. What's going on, buddy? Hello. Hold on. I think we're having an audio issue here. Let's see here. Hold on. I don't know if you could hear me. Hello. 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 Hold on. I'm gonna put you on this one because you're on my phone here. Let's hold on. Okay. I'm gonna put you on call me on the phone here. Hold on. Uh, where you at? All right, there you go.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I could hear you.
Awesome. Hey, I just wanted to let you know about SLE. Since
Mm.
that was one of the tickers you were looking at.
Uh-huh.
So I'm going to tell you my personal opinion. I would stay away from SLE.
Stay away. You say stay away from it? Hello? 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 I think we have an audio issue here. What's up, Rav G? I think it's the Discord. Hello. I think you're talking or something. Hello.
Can you hear me?
Oh yeah, I had to stop it. Wasn't hearing you before. What's good now? What you were saying about SLE?
Yeah. How much did you hear of what I said?
I think I heard you say stay away or something like that.
Yeah. So they did an offering where they were raising share. Or they got a letter from the Nasdaq saying that they were deficient
Mm-hmm.
their shareholder equity, so they needed to raise equity. So what did they do? They sold Series B shares and
Mm-hmm.
Series A shares. Usually those shares can be converted at like a 1 for 10. So one Series B or A would get you 10 common stock shares.
Mm-hmm.
They sold it for $4 million. So because they sold it for $4 million and the TSO of SLE is 1 million shares, that means that the book value for that is $4, right? Except to get back in compliance, they had to double it up because the company was already negative $4 million in shareholder equity. That's why you saw a pump to 10.
Mm-hmm.
So it's already hit 10 and
Yeah.
it's going in 1397, so just about 14. But to me, my opinion, the algorithm has already balanced the ticker for that $10 threshold to make sure that they're back in compliance and they have a 4 million shareholder equity. So for me, I traded it yesterday. Again, like I ran through the news and stuff like that. But I traded it yesterday, and now I'm just staying away.
Right.
So again, I just wanted to share that with you, because I don't want you to go into something where again, my opinion.
Yeah.
Right. If you're trading on technicals, then you're gonna see something else.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't see it going back
Up.
again higher.
Yeah, gotcha.
But yeah, I don't necessarily see it.
Yeah. What's your thoughts on C-Jet?
Oh, CJ was nice, man. The crazy thing is, I I mentioned in my DM to you, like, hey, I have a target for CJ at like 60 something cents.
Yeah.
Right? And I got in it, and I was in it from like 12 cents.
Right.
And I sold the morning when it started running, I sold at 30, not 30, sorry. I sold at 19 cents. Like I was half awake and it was running. And I was like, shit, let me just take the money. I can always jump back in on a pullback or something. And then the fucking same day it runs to 30 or 34 cents.
Yeah, that's where I got out up there.
Yeah, I still think they need to, okay, so with CJET, the float of the ticker is low comparatively, right?
Yeah.
I think it's like maybe 15 million or something like that. And they need to dilute, they need to dilute it because they're raising money. Yeah, the shares outstanding is 32 million and the float is 22 million, right? They need to dilute it because they need to raise money, right? Their book value is negative $32. Like they're not going to be in compliance. They need to raise money. They will do a reverse split. However, you've got to pump it to get people in it to buy the stock. They're selling 222 million shares. Again, I can send you the filing that basically outlines all of that. So you have to, as you've said, sell into strength, right? So they need the stock to giddy up and go so they can offload some shares. If giddy up and goes, offload some shares. Giddy up and go until they finish diluting the amount that they need to. Yeah. So that's what's up with CJET. I haven't gotten back in. It's pretty much at the level where I sold. Where I sold the other day. But again, it was a good call. I was in, I think 3 or 4 days early. Not early, but I was in it early. Yeah, I bought in on the 11th. So I bought in on the 11th, bought some more on the 15th, bought some more on the 16th, and then I sold out the morning of the 19th.
Yeah. So that was good.
Yeah, that was pretty good.
Yeah, get it run again. That would be good. I'm keeping my eye on it.
Yeah, GLTO is moving right now.
Yeah, it's kind of choppy up here at the top.
Yeah, it's gonna break 680 though. It's gonna break 680 and then it may top out to like 750 I think.
Yeah.
But again, that's just my opinion. Right?
Yeah.
My opinion. And the reason I say that is the book value of the stock is $8.20.
Yeah.
It has $1 million on the float, right? 1.2 million. That's already been chewed out by people buying, right? Cost to borrow, it's really low. So again, for me, this is where I see market makers. They turn the stock, they get up, moving, right? Break a couple of levels, people jump in, and then they pull it down in the end, and people short, of course. So yeah. It's definitely having a little bit of issue at 650. I'll check real quick to see if they're doing any raises with. Let me see if they're doing anything with shares if they're selling. And I sent you a couple of tickers yesterday.
Yeah.
Like I'm telling you, those like when they start moving, it's gonna be a big moves. Like
yeah. We'll look at them as they come up. No.
So they have a at the market offering from back in 2023 with Jeffries. So we'll have that. Let's see what else. 40 shares.
Got to get over that 655 here to go anything. Ralph G on GLTO.
All right, so they've got 65,000 shares that they're selling in employee shares. And they're selling it at $4. So I think that's the reason their stock is moving because they registered those shares and I think they're moving those shares into the market.
They got to get over that top there.
$1, $2. Yeah, so they have employee shares. I think that's what they're actually selling in the market right now. But 650 is definitely an area of system.
Yeah.
But again, I think you're gonna break 650 and I think you're gonna actually head to 750. So $1. Again, hold on. I'm just some guy with the spider logo.
I'm a guy with a Z.
There you go. There you go.
We just do what we do, man.
Yep.
Yeah. We make it happen though, man. Either way.
Good.
Yeah. See how this bingo, we searching, 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 searching. See if we could find anything, anomalies. Like I remember trading these like when I first started trading, like these stocks are still around. And look, lower price point now. Fall is coming, man. Good golf weather, that's what it is.
Yeah, fall is definitely here.
This guy gapped down. Hmm.
Hold on, mate.
Hold on. Slow market for sure. We could keep eye on this one off the bottom here if we're gonna come up. I mean, we're down 14%, right? Down almost $5. Big gap down. This is something to watch. SRRK. I like them when they like that. It's already dumping. That is half. Even if it comes back up half the distance, that's more than enough on that. But it's kind of weak right now. We've been down here before. I would watch it. Trend is still down, right? And look, we traded before. Look, that's when you know that I've been in this stuff for a very long time. I did all these before. I mark them. 43. That blue line there. We got 1, 2, 3. Tried there before. Now we're here. Trend is down. So anyway, up here, man, you definitely gotta Look at it when it does come back, if it does come back. All right, let's move on. Keep looking. GLTO, what that look like? Ah, there's your break. You got that, Ralph G? You got that break? Boom. Yeah. Too late to the party now. Can't get it. I'm not gonna chase it. If I don't get it on initial break, it's unless crazy volume is coming inside of it, I'm gonna leave it alone. But that'll be one of them stocks that just take off. Traded over here. So just be careful at the top here. I'm getting rejected here. So 20 cents. Ah, come on, give it to me. A 1-to-1 here. Come on. Then we get 320. Anything more than that, we needed to break that. Stop losses right here. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. Come on. There we go. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful guys. Way to go. That's all we need, man. We don't need little. That's all it is. Yeah, we got you, Spider. We just capitalize on that one, man. We got some volume. Finally broke, right? Mm-hmm. We need to get up here again, huh? Oh, watch that. Watch that. This is the one here right now. Beautiful. G5. Rough G. There you go, my man. Way to make the morning go. You know what I mean? Take a little bit out of that. That's why we leave partials, man. I love it. That's why we leave it. This is down here, not coming up yet. Woohoo! That's the one right there. Yeah, we fine up, man. There you go. Raf G. That one's cranked up some. That was a nice one. I don't see the market. Look at the SPY though. The SPY's not really doing anything right now. It's up top here. We could see the SPY 1,000. A buddy of mine said the SPY is going to 1,000. He may be right. I'm awake now. 66730 up here on the SPY today. Mm-mm-mm. And we were talking about SPY at 600 for quite some time. Here we at 667. Hmm. But we got this zone to worry about today on the SPY. Yeah, above, right? She got to get above the high on closing yesterday. Look at closing yesterday. I mean, we were down here yesterday. We were in this area yesterday. Look at that. Gone. And it pulled back. Got to be underneath this level here, right? Touch line, touch line, touch line, touch line. Da 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 da. Right back down anywhere down in here. We good. That's all we need. We don't need much. Guys, don't think that you need this market to be like way up here trying to make. No, take small increments at a time. If it falls here, you take advantage of that. Falls here, you take advantage of that. That's it. So that's it for the SPY. And we take another partial out of this one here, up here. Too bad I didn't catch it before it leave there. JZ, XN. Let's look at that one. No movement yet. A, B, C, L, A, B, C, L. 540. Already popped. Let's see what. So about 40 cents here. If it breaks here. Risk 30 cents to make 40 cents. Right, right. That's it, man. You got to wait for your strategy and the setup. You know what I mean? Yes, sir. Got to wait for that. That's why we watch them. Watch them. If you miss the move, you miss the move. That's just plain and simple. That's it. You don't stress it. Come back again. Ooh, that's a big one. Let's see how it goes. And if it fits my trading style, you know what I mean? Like like something like this. Out of nowhere, this massive amount of volume just come in. Think it's gonna continue? I don't see it. Where? Where the next candle is gonna open at. So you don't really, you don't jump on that just because you see a massive move. Does it meet your criteria of taking the trade? Does it fit in your strategy? all of that you got to think about. You see what I do? I go back, I go to all time frames just to see if where's the anomaly in it? Is it a possibility it'll go right back up or not? '87. And I'm searching. So you see, as far as 93, can it get there today? Can if it gets some volume, right? Big support here. Look at that support there. You know, so we're inside here. So for me, big support here, right? It's got to come down and break this level to come anywhere down here. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock move in the market. So look at that. Look at that. See? That's why you don't jump on everything, right, Ralph G? You wait. Bang. What you think would happen if you go here? Look, from 86 to 82. Now, if you were to grab it here and back up, yeah, that's something different, right? That would be something different. So, you just need more volume to get in it, to get up there. And then here we go. Back to my entry here, back to my stop loss, and I'm done. That's it. Too bad I wasn't there to kick it out. And that was an awesome trade. Leave that alone, right, Jay? Leave that alone. Mm, Miss Silo by a hair. We missed it. There's some issue here, right? Boom, boom. Look, I just need to get through here, right? That's the issue right here. 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 That's the issue right here 70. About 15 cents. Yeah, risking 15 cents. I got to get up to $1. I need some volume here to get this going. Silo. Keep it on your list. Who knows? Keep an eye on it. You got to be there anyway, right? You got to be there anyway. This really hasn't been moving. I mean, this one is up, pulled back up, NUAA. We've been watching it since the other day, but we need to get over the top there. Keep eye on it though. These are the ones that will take off on you. Like all the ones that I put in my chat, guys, those are the ones that I'm charting up and just watch. I mean, I don't know if they'll fly. We need volume in these things here. But it's a 60-cent move to the top there. Let me see if you could short this thing here. Ooh. Come on. Yeah, you could short it. Ah, ah. Scalper's dream. Ah, ah, missed it. Ah, that's what I wanted. Baby girl. Ah, you just got to be swift with it, man. You missed it, you missed it. That's it, man. Ah, FLD. That was it, in and out.
Let's check the crash. I think it was East Grace, Alabama. And road open, traffic still heavy. And we're scaling that for what's not going to the sensible one. Seven. On the low lines. It's real. No, it's insane. Second floor, those are the traffic. This evening. This evening.
Man, that's a second time, man. I thought I was quick on that. And look, I got out just. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna leave this one alone. It said to me, don't mess with it. Don't mess with it. I did it twice. I missed the entry, it didn't pick me up. And as soon as I got out, it pulled back. So it's saying don't touch it. Yeah. So you saw that. I mean, it's so well, I mean, you're trying to get it there. I'm trying to get it there, but watch it. Watch it over the top. That's what I would do. I tried it twice here and pulled back. Maybe I could have got in and just let it rest because I gave it a stop loss here. Never got back down here. Yes, sir. Yes, Sin, the man. Having a good time. Enjoy yourself. Ibiza. You're gonna create memories over there for sure. Ain't nothing this morning, man. We're searching, we're searching, we're searching. Did you have a great flight? Keep eye on the FLD. They announced Stripe and Visa will be powering that upcoming Bitcoin credit card for them. So keep eye on that. Yeah, I saw SSKN this morning. Yep. Nvidia, Oracle, Snow. Absolutely. I'll watch FLD. All right. Keep that on your watch list. Nice. SPY over 66730 today. Yeah, yes, in. Well, will the SPY get to 1,000? It working its way up there. Yeah. Well, you got the time difference, so that's a beautiful thing. Take advantage of the market. IPDN. 770, what? 7,700. I don't see the spike getting there. Yes, you're wilding, brother. That would be something. The spike get to 7,700. Wow. We're looking. I'm looking. I don't see anything. Anything worth.
Yes,
Hey.
he said spy to 7,000.
So let's see what he got.
No, if it goes to 1,000, I'm retiring.
You're retiring, right?
If it goes to 1,000, yeah.
If it goes to 1,000, you're retiring. I'll say I would too, Rob.
That's no point.
Yeah. There's no point. There's no point. $86, about 15. That's about 20 cents. About 40 cents. Yeah. About 50 cents. Silo is pumping now. What's that worth? This one right here. I gotta get up there. Silo broke. There you go. There you go. Anybody that was part of that silo trade there. Good, 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 good. Good. That's all you need. Pop in, out. Put Silo in your on your watch list though. They got stuff to do with Bitcoin, crypto. Great. Great. Target hit. Good job on Silo, guys. I missed it. I'm not gonna chase it now. But great job. CRWV. Oh yeah, nothing in it now. CRWV. Yeah, Spidey.
Send violent messages to Congressman Randy Fine. Saying he was going to kill me, saying he was going to execute children. FDLE figured out who it was overseas, and as he was coming back into the United States to come and kill me, they intercepted him at the airport and arrested him. Was scheduled to be completed, but I didn't think the proposed punishment was harsh enough. Because he couldn't be there in person that day due to commitments he had in DC. A judge agreed to delay the hearing. From the WNCF newsroom, I'm Liz Ryan.
This is so.
They seem to be just fine. They should take the ways. Just to the west of the interstate, that's just routine. That's severe. I'm sure it's wrong.
If you guys see anything, let me know. That's how it is at times. Some days it's good, some days it's not. That's just. Oh yeah, for sure, Ralph G. It's just, you know, sometimes the idea is just you look until you find. This morning we only have one so far that's was worthy enough to take. Other than that, if the market is not doing anything, it's just, and then yeah, once the market open, you're gonna have a lot more to choose from. What I try to do, if I could finish trading at pre-market, then everything else after the market is open is just bonus, because then I'm not stressing myself, or I made what I need to make pre-market, and then once the market open, I don't have to be as aggressive. I could work on my strategy when the market open, work on some of my things, on the chart, and just perfect those, So, it all depends on how you approach this thing, man. There's different ways to approach it. You just got to find one and just milk it. That's what I try to do. They call us the stock market extraction team. So, we try to extract from the market as much as possible. I missed this one right here. Pull back a little bit. Even if we get to here, we'll be fine. It's about $1. Well, you need to get to 1150. So that would be a 1-to-1. You're risking $1 to make $1 for it to get to here. And right now I don't see it. I got to get through this level here first. VWAP here. That would be a VWAP trade coming up. See? Stop loss. And you got to get up here. And you got to get through this here. So not yet. Not yet. SSKN. See what's that going on with Amazon today? All right, I'll look at Amazon in a minute. Let's see what Amazon is about. That's a VWAP trade coming up. Blow it in, blow it out. Just go dance. Yeah. I look at Amazon. You riding it down or you riding it up? Amazon is down right now. Some of this stuff there. So down here on Amazon, you got to get down here. Let's see where we at now. $227.45. $229. I want to see what it does at $229 Amazon. Right? So right now you're between 229 and 227.45. Can we get back up here? That's what I want to see. Can Amazon get back up here anywhere inside this area here? 230, 50 and above. That's how I would look at Amazon right now. We may even have a little gap inside here. Let's look. There you go. There's a little gap right here. I mean, we didn't find much this morning, but like Ralph G says, when the market open, we'll get another opportunity to look at these. We get more opportunities. And so we're inside the gap here on Amazon. Break outside the gap coming up here. This is an opportunity here. 228.50 towards that's a 50 cents move. Risk 50 cents to make 50 cents. That's a possibility. But you got to get through this level first. So I would wait for it to break through and try to break through anything up here to get higher. You know what I mean? Anywhere up here. So I would wait to see what the market open look like. And then anything below yesterday's low before market closed, that would be a trade to the downside to 226.22. But that's how I would look at that. One we haven't seen in a while, HOLO. Ooh. Ooh, HOLO. Hello. HOLO. IBG. IBG will do. HOLO. So we gotta get up here, target here. Trade HOLO over here all the way, brothers. But we gotta get through here first. Get through here. All of this crazy cray right here. So you gotta get up here. Right underneath this area here. So keep it on your watch list. Watch it, keep it on your list. IBG. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Spidey. Wow, look at this. This beast just popped. We just talked about it. Did it split already? clear up this chart.
Oh, it is. It's flat.
That's plot. We traded over here. We traded up to $1.46. We were trading it over here. Ah. Yeah. We were trading it at $1.46 at one point. Went to $3. And IPO'd last year around this time. 3 days away from IPO date. That will be a year to date. Put it on your watch list. See what happened. So IPO price up there. $94. It's running right now. Let me see if it's shortable. I don't think. IBG. Nope, it's not shortable. So sorry. If you didn't catch it on the way up, you're not going to be able to short it. We already broke this one. Get out of here. If you didn't catch the breakout, don't mess with this one. Once again, thank you guys. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, let you know when we go live in the morning. Again, if you want to follow us in our Discord, go ahead. Here's the link. I'm going to drop it right here. Thank you all for participating in this morning trading. You know, sometimes we got one and that's it. Sometimes we don't have any. We're not just going to jump in anything just like that. Okay. We need to see it works in our favor. But IBG up 250% on that and up 94 cents. Just IBG. Put that on your watch list there. IBG. IBG. Spidey said it. Reverse split. It's not happening right now. It's overbought right now. It's not shortable. Just keep that in mind. Maybe for some. Okay. It's way overbought now. This is what I love. When it's way overbought, I look for an opportunity to short, but you can't short it. It's just follow us on all social media, man. So I wouldn't touch this one right now. I'll put it at the side of my screen here and keep an eye on it, but I wouldn't touch it. I mean, volume would have to come and bring it up. Silo is crazy. Look at Silo, up, down, would drive you nuts. You're gonna have to wait for it up here if it's gonna break and go higher. Very choppy to get up here. Like we said, we gotta get over this $1 here.
Just bought 100 and just left it, risking
Yeah.
$80.
When you were down here?
Yeah,
All right, good.
I'll risk $80. That's fine.
Yeah, absolutely. 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 Another resistance right there. So you're down here, got to get through there, get through here, get through here. It got work to do unless, again, big spike like this will take care of all of these little areas here inside here. Yeah. I'm not taking it any further than that, you know. Got a lot of work to do unless we get big volume a big volume come in, boom, break through all of that and you're part of it. Other than that, no, I wouldn't. You get what you get out of it and that's it. But this IBG, I would watch it and just be careful, like we said. That's a big candle there. Look at that. Overbought. 6 points away from 100. And you can't short it? Ah, that's so bad. They know what they're doing. Like, woof. I love stuff like that. You give me a candle like this and you're telling me there's no pullback? There's going to be a massive pullback. That's why they don't make it shortable. That's 12 million in this candle already. 13 million. Look at that. Psh, forget about it. Look at that. Oh man, that is sweet. But all right, guys, I'll see you at 11 on TikTok. Come on in, join us. We do the same thing and look for other stock like the Oracle, ORCL, the Tesla, the Amazon, you know, the Meta, the AMDs, the NVIDIAs. Okay. So we'll see you then. I'll see you in a bit, Rob.
Yeah, okay, bye.
All right. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Follow us, man. Tell a friend and tell a friend. Come on in.